Hello, friends, aliens, and extraterrestrials. Welcome to Terra Luna. Now, the good thing about this particular resort is that you are a skip and a hop away from Epic Universe. But no one came here to see me. I just wanted to get this sign because after today, it's gone. Let's go explore. Welcome to Terra Luna, everybody. Day one. She's a beaut, isn't she? Now, if the sun was reflecting on her, you see something really cool. But unfortunately, the sun has gone low. Let's go inside.
Miss you all the time so much. I can't help but stare at your dresser, it's so red. Corner of my eyes, I swear I see you everywhere. And even when I go to sleep, your presence in my dreams always goes so deep. Easy ghost in these walls, I can't let go. Every night smells sweet, head on my pillow. Every memory lingers, it will set me free. In this house of love, she's always watching me. Wake up from
Spaceman!
Hello! Terra Luna's opening day here at Universal Orlando Resort. Welcome!
Welcome to the lobby of Terra Luna, opening day, March 25th, 2025. There is the cafe, here is concierge, and that is the way in and out.
Oh man.
There you go. Don't forget. There you go. There you go. Yeah. There you go. There it is. Now she feels at home. She's used to the 8 hands. Right?
Perfect.
Oh, you're good. Dance away. Dance away. You're live.
my dreams, hearing your voice again, telling me to ignore the nightmares in my head. Always hear a whisper in the midnight air.
They have an exclusive Universal store decked from head to toe with Epic Universe gear. Considering this park is right next door to Epic Universe, it only makes sense, right? Me in particular, I'm very fond of the Wizarding World, and here are the 4 brand new interactive wands, or wands 2.0 wand holders. The old school new robes, these look dope.
In this house of broken dreams, she's always there.
Looking back on our timeline, always looking to get it right. Day after day of you and me, couldn't get enough of that life. Really thought we had it made, till the day you went away. Let me go as I thought you'd be my wife, but I guess it never really mattered to you anyways.
I miss you every time I see your picture. The thought of being without you makes me sicker. Is this the way my life is gonna be? Now baby, you're the only one I ever wanna see. And I wanna tell you that I miss you. Didn't think you'd walk away. Now I find it hard to.
Welcome to the Omega Cafe and Market. The resort exclusive refillable freestyle cups. I like the ones at Stella Nova a little more. Although the colors are nice, I feel like the space theme on the cup was so much better. Now the food options here, in my opinion, are a little better than Stella Nova. For example, the Galactic Garlic Knots, that is on my list of things to do. The hot honey chicken is definitely on my list. What do we got on the other side? Ho ho ho, beef it up. Although the price is a little questionable, so I'm hoping it's a really big piece, but we'll find out. So we are here with my cool friend Mickey representing Soulful with this very cool shirt. That's your boy right there. And then Mickey's in the middle. So I got me the kids smash burger because as you know, I love saving that money. And we're going to try it out and rate it from 1 to 10. We got the, what's that?
Hawaiian pizza?
Hawaiian pizza.
Pretty good.
The
Margarita.
Ari.
Margarita as well.
The kiddo had chicken tenders, which look amazing. That looks like I should have ordered that.
They gave him 5.
But it is what it is. So we're going to try the smash burger. All right, so we're going to try this smashed burger. I fancily cut it in half so you can see like the contents.
Yeah, that's the only one I can drink. I'm trying to get
That's a good burger, actually.
I don't drink them often,
I'm
but
trying to get him to stop drinking the fucking energy drinks.
Solid
Yeah,
meat
those are-
to bread
you had a friend.
to cheese ratio. But the bread I've noticed is buttered. I love buttered bread. I live for that.
I'm sure he did more than just drink.
It's okay.
that.
They're going to hear your whole conversation. That's cool.
Well, I didn't know we were quiet on set.
It's fine.
Without you every day. Wake up from my dreams every day.
I still miss you.
Every day. Wake up from my dreams every day.
I don't know. I feel like it's a bit of a letdown compared to what Stella Nova had to offer, in my opinion. But, you know, it's sister hotel. It's pretty much identical in every single way other than some subtle changes. It's kind of like in a video game when you go to a level and it's the same creature, but it's a different color. That's kind of what Stella Nova and Terra Luna basically are. So I spent so much time showing you guys everything that I forgot to show you that we are staying in the hotel. I do apologize for this shaky video, but I am tired. I also got on 3 roller coasters because I'm making TikTok content from the roller coaster rides that you guys see on my top 3s. But yeah, this is basically the room. And over there, you have a nice view of Epic Universe, but it's nighttime, so you're not seeing much. So it's been a long day of just content creating and hanging out here and meeting a whole bunch of other content creators. But I like the hotel. I prefer Stella Nova a little more just because I feel like it had more to offer, and I like the food options, but this bed is really comfortable. Like, I'm literally knocking out as we are speaking. So, yeah, I give the bed a solid 10 out of 10.